Now, this was question number 1 that was being tested in the KCPE for the year 2018, and the candidate was required to state the form of energy that comes second during energy transformation in a torch. Now, the torch must be using dry cells. There are several things that the candidate was supposed to remember. One thing, the candidate was supposed to remember how a torch looks like, and when the torch has got dry cells in it, it is going to produce light. Now, to understand how energy transformation will take place in a torch, we are going to use a clip here. Energy transformation in a torch which uses dry cells. This was question number 1 in the science paper for the KCPE year 2018, whereby the candidate was supposed to state the form of energy that comes second during energy transformation in a torch which uses dry cells. This can be demonstrated using a simple circuit, and a simple circuit will have a dry cell and a bulb, and when the two are connected using wire connectors, you'll find that the chemical energy that is stored in the dry cell will be converted to electrical energy, which will pass through the wires, and the electrical energy will hit the filament which is in the bulb, and once the filament is heated, it will glow and produce light. So, according to the question, from chemical energy, it will be transformed to electrical energy, which will be step number 2. Subscribe to this channel and get more examples. And therefore, the candidate could have selected electrical energy.